Hi, welcome to another ClassCube demo video. If you haven't come across ClassCube before, it's a way for computer science students to do their lab assignments online through a web browser. Their submissions can be automatically graded, and you, as their teacher, will be able to see anything that they submit. For this video, we're going to take a look at what a student sees when they work on a ClassCube assignment that's embedded into Moodle. ClassCube was designed to work seamlessly with online tools like Moodle. Your students don't even need to know that they're using ClassCube if you don't want them to. To them, it looks like any other Moodle assignment. We're already logged into Moodle as a student. One of the great things about Moodle over some of the other LMS tools that are out there is that Moodle is very customizable, including the theme. The downside for demos like this is that your screen may not look exactly like my screen. For this demo, I'm using a base install of Moodle 3.3 with the default Boost theme. I'm going to go ahead and click on my course list. And in that course, I'm going to find a single assignment called Array Sum that I set up earlier as a teacher. We'll see how that process works in a separate video. When I click that, it will load the ClassCube problem into an iframe inside of Moodle. On the right side is the instructions for the problem. In this case, we're tasked with finding the sum of all values in an array of integers. On the left side is where your students will enter their code. It's set up with syntax highlighting for Java since this problem was built to use Java. ClassCube also supports Python, and other languages are on our roadmap. We're going to do what most students will do the first time they come upon this screen and click the test button before typing anything in. What you'll see is that a timer starts while the code is sent to our servers for compilation and running. Then the results come back. In this case, it's an error because we didn't return a value from a method that needed a return. So I'm going to go ahead and just return 0 so the code will build and we can see some results. This time, the code solved 1 out of 4 test cases. The one that passed was an empty array, so 0 was the correct answer. It also shows the 3 tests that failed. If you'd rather, you can tell ClassCube to not show the individual failed tests and just show the number that passed and failed. I'm going to switch tabs over to the gradebook. You'll notice that this assignment is in the gradebook and it currently has a grade of 25%. When code is submitted to ClassCube through Moodle, our servers send back the percentage solved, and that goes into the gradebook automatically. Back to the assignment, and this time we're going to solve it. And this is what your students will see when all their tests are passed. On the top right of the assignment, you'll see a small hamburger menu. Here, the students can view all of their previous submissions for the assignment. As a teacher, you'll have a similar view where you'll be able to view all submissions from all of your students. And then let's look at the gradebook again. This time, notice the grade has been updated to 100% since the assignment was fully correct. One thing to keep in mind, and something to share with your students, is the gradebook always shows the latest grade, not necessarily the highest. If we went back and put the return 0 solution back in and tested, there'd be a 25% in the gradebook again. And last, let's go back to the main course page. For this course, I have completion tracking turned on and enabled for this assignment. Because of that, Moodle puts a small checkbox to the right of the assignment, letting your student know they have completed this assignment. Now, that only means there is a grade. It doesn't necessarily mean it's perfect. And that's it for our demo. Thanks for stopping by and watching. If you have any questions about this video or ClassCube in general, our website is classcube.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter. If you'd like to get in touch, please visit our website and look for the Help menu across the top, or go to classcube.com/contact. And thanks again for watching.